Guys, you might have created a YouTube channel and you're regularly uploading videos onto your channel from past 6 months, 1 year or even 2 years. But your channel isn't growing and you're not getting views on your channel and you're not gaining any subscribers. Guys, I request you to watch this video carefully till the end. I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to grow a YouTube channel from zero. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, on YouTube you should work hard, and along with this you should work smart also. Guys, if you have time, then create 2 YouTube channels. Usually no one tells you this, but if you have time, then create 2 YouTube channels, one main channel and one secondary channel. Now the topic for these 2 YouTube channels should be different. Now for example, I have 3 YouTube channels. This one, a technical channel, facts channel and a comedy channel. So create 2 YouTube channels, because there's a high chance that any one of your YouTube channel out of these 2 could go viral. If one of your YouTube channel goes viral, then you can promote the other YouTube channel. Now if you don't have time to create and maintain 2 YouTube channels and you want to maintain only one channel, then my suggestion is don't make videos on regular topic. Now for example, guess that you have a technical channel and your channel is quite small. So when you have a channel like this, don't make videos on regular topic. When I say regular topic, it means that don't make videos on how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on Instagram, how to gain followers, or how to get 4000 hours of watch time, 1000 subscribers. So don't make videos on this regular topic, because there's already millions of videos on YouTube based on this topic, that too from big creators who have like millions of subscribers. So you can't give competition for them. So never make videos on this regular topic. Guys, now consider my channel. If I make videos like on regular topic like how to grow on YouTube, how to get subscribers on YouTube, these type of video topics will not get views. But if I make videos on specific topics like action blog, Instagram action blog, or anything related to this topic, I get lots of views on that video. And one of my action blog video is about to reach like 100,000 views. Now you might ask that, Vasu, where will I get these type of video ideas? Guys, for that just go on to Google and type something. And if you scroll all the way down, Google will suggest you with a few video ideas. Now take a topic and make a video. And guys, if you take this topic and make around 10 videos, I guarantee you out of this 10, any one of your video will do good and will get good amount of views and subscribers. Now identify which topic is getting more views. If any one of your video is doing good, then take that particular topic and make more videos which is related to this topic. And guys, between each video upload, don't take too much of time. Try to upload at least one video for every 2 days. And if you upload one video now and one video after 6 days and one more video after 6 months, then your channel will not grow. And guys, on YouTube there's a formula to become successful, and that formula is just keep uploading. Guys, if you really want to grow a YouTube channel, then immediately stop doing support sub in the comment section. If you're doing support sub, then this will hurt your channel. And guys, one more important thing is don't convert your YouTube channel into mixed YouTube channel. What I'm trying to tell is, guess that you have a technical channel, technical based channel, and for some reason while browsing your YouTube studio, you'll find a comedy video which has 10 million views, and you'll think that 10 million views, and what you'll do, you'll create a comedy video. And since even though you have a tech channel, you'll upload this comedy video onto your channel. Now again, you'll be scrolling your YouTube app on your mobile and you'll find a video, facts video, which has like 50 million views, and you'll be like, arre bhai, and what you'll do, you'll try to do facts video and you'll upload it onto your tech channel. Now again, after a few days, you'll be walking down the road and you'll find 2 dogs fighting. So what you'll do, you'll record that video and you'll upload it onto your YouTube channel, tech YouTube channel. Guys, I'm just telling this video in a comedy way, don't get offended. So guys, if you're making mixed content on your YouTube channel, then I'm sorry to tell this, but definitely your YouTube channel will not grow. Try to keep your YouTube channel niche in one place. If you really want to upload videos which are different topics, then create multiple YouTube channels. See me, I have like 3 YouTube channels uploading 3 different type of videos on all 3 channels. Now guys, I'll be making a series of videos on my channel, like how to grow on YouTube, how to get 1000 subscribers, 4000 hours of watch time, so everything related to this topic. So I can't tell you all the tips in this one video, because if I tell everything in this video will become 10 hours long. So guys, I'll be making videos on this topic. So if you're a YouTuber and if you're struggling to grow a channel, then consider subscribing. And guys, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, a peace.